Make your home or office clutter-free with this 4-layer storage box featuring a lid and wheels. Its stackable design optimizes vertical storage, while the rolling wheels offer effortless movement. Perfect for holding tools, clothes, or kitchen essentials, this versatile box suits kitchens, living rooms, and dorms. The secure lid keeps items safe, and its compact design adds both functionality and convenience to your organization needs. This LED nightstand combines sleek design and functionality to elevate your bedroom. With a motion sensor light, it illuminates your space as you approach, blending modern tech with convenience. 2 spacious drawers keep essentials within reach, while the high-gloss finish adds sophistication. The LED lighting creates a calming atmosphere, making this nightstand a must-have for anyone upgrading their bedroom decor with style and practicality. Simplify drying delicate items with this portable mini dryer. Its compact size is perfect for apartments, dorms, or RVs where space is limited. The included drying bag protects fragile garments while ensuring effective drying. A built-in timer lets you customize the drying duration, preventing damage from over-drying. Practical and efficient, this dryer offers a hassle-free solution for drying small loads wherever you are. Instantly print vibrant photos with this portable mini wireless photo printer. Using Zinc technology, it delivers high-quality, inkless prints directly from your smartphone. Compatible with iOS and Android, it's perfect for travel, parties, or daily use. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry anywhere you go. Enjoy the convenience of printing memories instantly with this innovative and user-friendly photo printer. Bring back the shine to your jewelry and eyeglasses with this ultrasonic cleaner. Operating at 45 kHz, it removes dirt, grime, and tarnish from metals, gemstones, and even makeup brushes. With 360-degree cleaning action, it works effectively without harming delicate surfaces. Just fill the tank with water, add your items, and let the waves do the work. Achieve professional-level cleaning with this efficient and gentle ultrasonic device. Maximize space with this retractable clothes drying line. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, its sturdy stainless steel build ensures durability, while the sag-free line securely holds your clothes. Wall-mounted for easy retraction, it's perfect for small areas or homes. Installation is simple, and it saves space when not in use. This drying line is an efficient, compact, and reliable solution for keeping your laundry organized. Keep laundry manageable with this fabric hamper featuring 3 compartments. It lets you sort clothes by type or household member with ease. Built for durability, it includes a lid to contain odors and folds away when not in use. Removable bags make transporting laundry simple. Perfect for families or individuals, this hamper ensures a tidy laundry routine while fitting seamlessly into any home setup. Add practicality and elegance to your entryway or kitchen with this wooden coat rack. Equipped with 8 hooks and adjustable heights, it's perfect for aprons, towels, and other essentials. The sturdy design ensures long-lasting use, while the flexible setup adapts to your space. Simplify organization and declutter with this sleek and functional rack, ideal for keeping everything you need within easy reach. Upgrade your workspace with this electric standing desk, designed for seamless height adjustments. Its large surface accommodates your essentials, while the sturdy steel frame ensures stability and supports heavy loads. Effortlessly switch between sitting and standing with 3 programmable presets for ergonomic comfort. Easy assembly makes setup quick, allowing you to enjoy a healthier, more productive work experience right away. Enhance your workstation with this adjustable laptop stand. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers stability and lightweight portability. Its customizable height promotes an ergonomic viewing angle, reducing neck and back strain. The foldable design makes it a perfect solution for work at home or on the go. Portable and versatile, this laptop stand combines comfort and practicality for better productivity wherever you are. Stay cozy with these 2PC's magnetic hand warmers. Featuring 3 heat settings and a rechargeable battery, they provide portable warmth for outdoor activities like camping or hiking. The magnetic design lets you connect the warmers for easier storage and charging. Compact and effective, they're a great way to keep your hands warm during chilly weather. Enjoy comfort and convenience with these versatile hand warmers wherever you go. Upgrade your storage solutions with this playful and practical organizer. Featuring a lid compatible with building bricks, it invites creativity while keeping your items secure. Removable trays keep smaller essentials sorted, and the clear design lets you find items easily. Whether for toys, crafts, or daily use, this waterproof box is both functional and fun. It's the perfect blend of organization and imagination for your home. This small, ultra-quiet USB fan offers a cool breeze wherever you need it. Ideal for home, office, camping, or dorm use, it features adjustable speed settings and a noise-free operation. Its compact round shape and seamless charging make it perfect for any space. Stay comfortable and enjoy improved air circulation with this versatile portable desktop fan. This foldable desk is a great fit for any workspace. With 6 adjustable height levels and 3 tilt angles, it adapts to your comfort needs. Whether you use it as a TV tray or an office desk, its compact, collapsible design ensures easy storage. Perfect for tight spaces, this desk combines functionality with convenience, letting you work or relax comfortably. Organize your essentials with this sleek faux leather storage box. Featuring 5 compartments, it's perfect for keeping office supplies, remotes, or makeup brushes in place. The elegant design suits any room, from the living room to your workspace. Say goodbye to clutter with this stylish solution for keeping your most used items within easy reach. Maximize storage with this innovative pull-out cabinet organizer. Its heavy-duty, expandable design fits neatly in kitchen, pantry, or bathroom cabinets without screws thanks to adhesive film. The sliding drawer keeps everything, from spices to cleaning items, organized and accessible. Perfect for decluttering, this functional organizer simplifies your space without installation hassle. This portable desktop mop simplifies small surface cleaning with ease. Featuring ergonomic squeeze handles and reusable cotton heads, it's ideal for car windows, household surfaces, or office desks. Its compact design ensures easy handling in tight spaces, while the reusable pads make it eco-friendly. Tackle dirt effortlessly and achieve a spotless shine with this mini mop. Easily crush garlic with this stainless steel rocker press. Compact yet durable, it's perfect for saving kitchen space. Its rust-resistant build ensures long-lasting use, and cleanup is a breeze. Simply rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Add flavor to your dishes without the hassle, thanks to this easy-to-use garlic crusher that combines functionality and convenience. Keep your space neat with this compact mini trash can. Designed for use with disposable bags, it features a discreet lid for clean and convenient waste disposal. Its easy-to-clean plastic design makes it a practical addition to desktops, offices, or coffee tables, ensuring a tidy and organized environment. Organize your pantry with this over-the-door storage rack. Crafted from sturdy iron, it easily hangs on pantry doors, adding extra shelves for spices, cans, or cleaning supplies. Ideal for maximizing unused space, it keeps essentials visible and accessible. Stay organized and say goodbye to pantry chaos with this smart space-saving solution that fits seamlessly into your kitchen. Style and practicality together. It serves as an elegant storage piece by day and transforms into a convenient fold-out guest bed by night. Equipped with a charging station and smooth folding mechanism, it's perfect for space-conscious homes. Add functionality and comfort to your living area with this dual-purpose furniture. Say goodbye to stale snacks with this 24-piece airtight food storage set. These BPA-free containers keep food fresh longer with a reliable seal. Included labels and markers ensure easy organization, whether for the pantry or fridge. Perfect for storing essentials, this set helps you maintain freshness and accessibility in your kitchen while keeping everything neat and tidy. Breathe easy with this advanced air purifier featuring an H13 True HEPA filter. Designed to cover up to 1,200 square feet, it employs a 3-stage filtration system to remove airborne particles efficiently. Quiet operation at just 24 dB and 5-speed settings make it ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or living rooms. Enjoy powerful air purification that's effective yet whisper quiet. This 2-in-1 expandable dish rack helps save counter space and keeps your kitchen organized. Its rust-resistant design includes pan slots, a utensil holder, and a drain board. Adjustable to fit different dish sizes, it's perfect for daily use. Combining practicality with modern aesthetics, this dish rack keeps your dishes neat and your kitchen clutter-free. Declutter under-sink spaces with this 2-pack sliding organizer set. Featuring 2 tiers and sliding drawers, it allows easy access to essentials while maximizing vertical space. Ideal for kitchens or bathrooms, its sleek black design adds organization and style to any cabinet. Make the most of hard-to-reach areas and bring order to those hidden spots effortlessly. Dry your footwear efficiently with this timer shoe dryer. Perfect for damp autumn or winter months, it eliminates moisture and odors from shoes of all kinds. The gentle heat ensures safe drying, while the automatic shutoff timer makes it hassle-free. Its foldable design allows compact storage, making it ideal for small spaces. Enjoy fresh, dry shoes with this handy shoe dryer. Bring the theater home with this compact HD mini projector. Offering 3,000 plus lumens for bright visuals and immersive 3D viewing, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Compatible with various devices, it's perfect for movies, presentations, or gaming. Control settings with the included remote for a seamless experience. Elevate your entertainment with this powerful mini projector. Reduce clutter with this rotating turntable organizer. Designed for kitchen spices, cosmetics, or office supplies, its spinning base allows for easy access. Compact and functional, it's ideal for small spaces, ensuring all your items are within reach. Keep your room tidy and maximize storage with this simple yet effective solution for managing daily essentials. This 100L foldable buccal ottoman storage bench blends practicality and style, making it ideal for any bedroom or living room. The sleek oval design enhances your decor while offering plenty of storage for pillows, blankets, and more. Crafted with durable wood and soft boucle fabric, it ensures both comfort and functionality. Plus, the foldable feature allows for easy stowing when unused, making it a versatile choice for your home. This foldable shoe rack organizer keeps your closet tidy and shoes easily accessible. Holding up to 36 pairs, it features stackable clear plastic boxes with lids to protect your footwear from dust. Its collapsible design is perfect for saving space when not in use. Easy to assemble and practical, it's an excellent solution for anyone wanting a neat and organized closet. This 15.6-inch digital photo frame boasts a high-quality IPS display with 1920D x 1080 FHD resolution for vivid, clear images. It supports slideshows and offers 32 GB storage for videos and photos. Setup and sharing through the NixPlay app are seamless, keeping you connected with loved ones. Adjustable orientation and a responsive touchscreen make it a thoughtful gift for any special occasion. This powerful handheld fan delivers a refreshing breeze wherever you are. Equipped with 5-speed settings and a rechargeable battery, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Its USB rechargeable design ensures long-lasting performance. Compact and portable, it's an ideal accessory for summer and makes a thoughtful gift. Stay comfortable and cool no matter where your day takes you. If fridge clutter drives you crazy, these stackable organizer bins are here to help. Perfect for keeping drinks, vegetables, and produce tidy, they're made of clear, BPA-free plastic with secure lids. The stackable design maximizes space and provides a customizable organization system. Easy to clean and maintain, these bins are essential for a fresh and orderly fridge. This UV toothbrush sanitizer holder ensures a cleaner bathroom routine. It features an automatic toothpaste dispenser, so no more squeezing tubes manually. Wall-mounted for space efficiency, it uses UV light to sanitize toothbrushes, eliminating germs and bacteria. Easy to install with adhesive, it also includes 2 cups for added convenience. A practical solution for maintaining hygiene and order in your bathroom. Keep your space organized with the hanging trash garbage bag holder, a clever solution for managing waste. This hands-free holder installs effortlessly without screws and can support up to 10 pounds. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or even outdoor camping. It encourages eco-friendliness by reusing grocery bags while eliminating bulky garbage cans. A simple and effective way to tackle clutter and waste. This 7-in-1 multifunctional tool pen packs everyday essentials into a compact design. It includes a handheld screwdriver, ballpoint pen, ruler, measuring tool, and spirit level, all in one portable pen. Perfect for home, school, or office use, it's a versatile companion for tackling daily tasks. Its sleek design ensures you have the tools you need at your fingertips whenever you need them. Make the most of limited space with this adjustable, wall-mounted desk. Designed for durability, it folds neatly away when not in use, providing an efficient workspace for small rooms. Ideal for compact living, it boosts both productivity and organization. Available in a variety of finishes, this desk blends style with practicality to match your decor while saving valuable space. Revolutionize your vanity or bathroom countertop with this 2-tier rotating makeup organizer. The 360-degree spinning design gives you effortless access to skincare and beauty products, eliminating clutter. Its compact yet spacious structure optimizes storage while keeping everything neatly displayed. Perfect for streamlining your beauty routine, this organizer is a must-have for creating a tidy, efficient space. Elevate your living room with this modern white coffee table that combines style and function. Featuring a durable metal frame and clear glass surface, it offers a sleek, double-layer design. Use the top shelf for essentials and the bottom shelf for books or decor. Easy to assemble, this sturdy table is a chic and practical addition to any home. Need a simple way to declutter? This foldable storage box is just what you need. Store clothes, snacks, toys, or cosmetics while keeping them dust-free and organized. Stackable layers with built-in wheels make it easy to access items and save space. Say goodbye to mess and hello to convenience with this multifunctional box, a great addition to any home. Add functionality and style to your kitchen or bathroom with this stainless steel paper towel holder. Its self-adhesive design ensures hassle-free installation under cabinets, perfect for holding paper towels or wraps. Avoid drilling or wall damage, just peel and stick for instant organization. A sleek, space-saving upgrade to help keep your home tidy. Transform your desk setup with this adjustable dual-monitor stand. It supports screens between 13 and 30 inches, holding up to 19.8 pounds per arm. The gas spring system provides smooth height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, promoting ergonomic posture. Installation is straightforward with included hardware, and integrated cable management ensures a clean, clutter-free workspace. Perfect for boosting productivity and comfort. Optimize organization with this 4-tier stackable storage system. The large 23 cute containers feature magnetic doors, wheels, and lids for easy access and mobility. Foldable and collapsible, they're perfect for clothes, office supplies, or party essentials. Customizable to fit your needs, these organizers are a practical way to declutter and save space, making them ideal for homes, offices, or dorms. Upgrade your kitchen with this deluxe over-the-sink dish drying rack. Adjustable in width, it accommodates various kitchen essentials while saving counter space. Made from durable black stainless steel, it combines style with functionality. Simple to install, this rack is perfect for drying dishes, storing utensils, and keeping your kitchen organized. A smart, space-saving addition to any home. Create a sleek storage display with these 3-piece floating shelves. Made from MDF with a matte finish, they hold up to 20 sols per shelf, perfect for books, plants, or photos. The invisible metal brackets ensure secure installation while providing a clean, modern look. Easy to mount with included hardware, these shelves blend functionality with contemporary design, enhancing any room. Keep essentials within reach with this iron-wood combination key storage rack with drawers. Wall-mounted for convenience, it features a wooden mail holder and key organizer. Its blend of iron and wood materials adds rustic charm, making it both practical and stylish. Perfect for keeping your keys, mail, and small items in one place, it's a functional addition to any entryway. This mini fridge is compact yet versatile, holding up to 6 12-ounce cans. It cools up to 18 to 20 degrees Celsius below ambient or warms up to 55 degrees Celsius. Quiet operation and energy-efficient technology make it ideal for food, drinks, cosmetics, or skincare. With a removable shelf and carry handle, it's perfect for home, office, dorm, or travel. This innovative queen-size floating bed frame merges futuristic style with practical features. Its smart LED lights and USB charging ports bring both convenience and modern elegance to your room. Crafted with heavy-duty metal for lasting durability, its noise-free design ensures undisturbed sleep. Complete with underbed storage and a straightforward assembly process, this bed frame is an excellent upgrade for any contemporary bedroom. This portable travel washing machine makes doing laundry on the go effortless. Whether you're traveling, camping, or living in a small apartment, this foldable mini washer and spin dryer combo is perfect for small loads like socks, baby clothes, or underwear. With a 2.65-gallon capacity, it's ideal for quick washes. Just add water and detergent, toss in your clothes, choose a cycle, and enjoy faster drying with the built-in spin dryer. Short on storage? This robust shelving unit is here to help. Designed with adjustable metal shelves and a high weight capacity, it's ideal for tools, pantry goods, or heavy equipment. Its solid construction guarantees stability, while the easy assembly ensures a hassle-free setup. Whether for your garage, office, or basement, this shelving unit provides a reliable way to organize and declutter your space. Keep your shower essentials tidy with this adjustable 4-tier corner caddy. The stainless steel frame offers rust resistance and durability, while the tension pole design ensures a snug fit in any bathroom corner. Perfect for shampoos, soaps, and more, its customizable shelves make it adaptable to your storage needs. Easy to install, this floor-standing rack combines practicality and style to enhance your shower space. This collapsible folding wagon is made for heavy-duty tasks and provides a spacious capacity for various needs. It works effectively on multiple terrains, making it perfect for grocery runs, beach days, gardening, and fishing. The wagon folds compactly for easy storage and transport, offering convenience when not in use. Its durable build supports heavy loads, delivering dependable performance for outdoor activities. This hammock camping chair brings comfort with its rocking feature and tall backrest. It's equipped with a sturdy stand, a built-in cup holder, and a handy side pocket for added ease. The strong construction guarantees stability and long-lasting use. Its foldable design ensures quick setup and portability, ideal for camping trips, picnics, or beach days. When folded, it becomes compact, making travel a breeze. For a quick wash anytime, this portable washing machine is your solution. It's rechargeable and can tackle small laundry loads, making it a great fit for dorms, camping, or apartments. Charge it, add water, and it's ready to clean in no time. The added disinfection feature ensures freshness with every wash. A convenient choice for tight spaces or life on the go. This smart, automatic electric water dispenser is perfect for easy use at your workspace. Powered by USB charging, it runs on a rechargeable 1800 mAh lithium battery. It features an adjustable nozzle, a convenient nightlight, and multiple water volume settings. Built from ABS material, it's designed for durability and user-friendliness. This device offers a mix of function and reliability for everyday hydration. Vacuum insulation, it maintains steady temperatures, so your wine stays cold without the need for ice. Simply place your bottle inside to lock in the coolness. Its simple design makes it easy to carry. A practical and portable way to enjoy perfectly chilled beverages anywhere. This kitchen scale is shaped like a spoon for convenient ingredient measuring. It's great for precise amounts of flour, spices, or tea. Made from lightweight ABS plastic, it's portable and easy to use. Powered by 2 Tiploy batteries, it provides accurate measurements with clear graduations. With 3 interchangeable measuring spoons, it ensures added versatility and convenience for your culinary needs. Designed to correct posture, this intelligent vibration device acts as a reminder and support belt. It emits gentle vibrations when slouching is detected, helping you maintain proper alignment. The buckle closure ensures a secure fit and easy adjustment. Perfect for improving posture while sitting or standing, it's a valuable tool for daily use. This stand-up desk converter makes it easy to switch between sitting and standing while working. It accommodates 2 monitors for an ergonomic workspace. Adjusting the height is simple, allowing you to customize it for comfort. The sleek black design complements any office setup. Stay active and productive throughout your workday with this functional converter. Stay active during work with this portable under-desk treadmill. It's easy to set up and lets you walk or jog while staying productive. The remote control allows for speed adjustments without interrupting your tasks. Track your progress using the LED display and see how much you've moved. A compact way to incorporate fitness into your routine without taking up too much room. It heats food evenly within 20 to 40 minutes. Featuring 2 stainless steel containers that hold up to 1.5 liters, it's designed to prevent leaks with tight seals. Made from food-safe materials, it's ideal for regular use. With car and office power cords included, it's perfect for travel.